how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. I'm back with the new story, and today's story title is Start Learning. What is there in this story? In this story, the happy delight forest, in a happy delight forest, a strange pink letter came with words in Assamese. The animals wanted to understand it, but learning new languages turned out to be too tricky for them, leaving the letters secret unsolved. तो चलिए हम भी इस स्टोरी को और जानने के उत्सुक है ना. चलिए लेट्स बिगिन. मेरे साथ आइए हम स्टोरी स्टार्ट करते हैं, बट उससे पहले स्टार्टअप देख लेते हैं. वट लैंग्वेज आर यू मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल विथ? रीड एन एक्सेप्ट इन योर क्लास इन दैट लैंग्वेज. नाउ लेट्स रीड द स्टोरी. Delight Forest was really a delightful place. Many animals lived there and they all lived in perfect harmony. There were monkeys and langurs, bears and anteaters, hippos and elephants, and of course tigers. Here is a letter, said Chatri and the monkey who worked as the postman for the forest. Who on earth has sent us a letter? ऐसा कौन है धरती पर जिसने हमें खत भेजा है? Asked Gibbo and Hippo, looking at the pink envelope that Chatri held in his hand. That is for you to see, Gibbo. I have yet another letter to deliver in the other part of the forest. आप देख लीजिए, मेरे पास तो बहुत काम है, दूसरे जंगलों में भी तो जाना है लेटर देने के लिए. Said Chatri as he darted away, looking busy because it was first time ever that his services as the postman had been utilized. पहली बार थी उसकी हेल्प ली जा रही थी इस काम में. चलिए ऊपर कुछ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स आपने देखे थे, है ना, हाईलाइटेड, उसका मीनिंग देख लेते हैं. डिलाइटफुल मीन्स चार्मिंग, हार्मनी मीन्स पीसफुल एग्जिस्टेंस, एंड डार्ट अवे मीन्स टू गो क्विकली. राइट, लेट्स कंटिन्यू द स्टोरी. रिसीविंग अ लेटर इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट वाज स्ट्रेंज एंड इट अकर्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. पहले तो कभी किसी का खत नहीं आया. सो ऑल एनिमल्स सराउंडेड गिबू with their gaze fixed at the pink letter. Gibbo's name was written on it in English. What is a letter like? Asked Bhalu the bear. Can't you see it there in Gibbo's hand? Silly fellow, reported Climby the langur. Not that I mean what a letter is. Bhalu still looked confused. It's a piece of paper, you black blockhead, said Climby. No, I mean why somebody should at all send us a piece of paper, said Bhalu. You silly giant, a message is written on a letter and then it is sent to whom this message had to be sent. Is it clear to you? Climby said. समझाने की कोशिश की उसने. But I can't see any message on that letter, said भालू. वो भी चुप नहीं हुआ, वो भी बोलता गया, भाई मुझे तो कहीं कोई मैसेज लिखा हुआ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. He felt hopeless because he was asking so many questions and everybody was looking at him amusingly. Oh dear, said Climby, what you can see is only the envelope. The letter is inside it. You have to open it and read it. पहले खोल तो लो, तभी पढ़ोगे ना. अंदर ही तो लिखा है जो लिखा है, ये तो बाहर एनवलप है. Climby, please read this letter. Read it aloud, said Gibbo. You see, Gibbo, if I read, everybody cannot hear. Just tell Chinga to read it. He can read it aloud, said Climby as his face became lusterless. Not me, said Chinga the elephant. I have lost my glasses somewhere. Why don't you tell Roy to read it? Oh my God, everybody was passing. Roy the tiger cleared his throat and said, Not me either. I have a sore throat and actually I was going to get some medicine. उनका भी बहाना बन गया. उनका गला खराब हो गया. I know why you all are shying away from reading it, said Gebu. In fact, you all do not know how to read English. कारण तो यही था, है ना? So, कुछ difficult words फिर से देखते हैं बच्चों. Strange means unusual. Report means to reply sharply. Blockhead means fool, and lusterless means dull. Shy away means to avoid. Let's continue. Everybody hung his head in shame. I have been telling you all that you all must learn how to read English. मैं पहले से बता रहा था, सबको बोल रहा था, पढ़ लो इंग्लिश, पढ़ लो इंग्लिश. कोई नहीं समझा. If you want to connect to the world, you must learn it. क्योंकि इंग्लिश सब लोग बोल सकते हैं. अगर संसार से जुड़ना है तो इंग्लिश सीखनी पड़ेगी, ऐसा कहना था उनका. Only your own language is not sufficient, said Gibu. Who can teach us English, said Climby. Who else but me? I taught you to read Hindi and now I'll teach you to read English, said Gibu. From the very next day, they all started to come to Gibu and study English. They learned to read letters and how to join them in words. And then they learned how to read sentences. They all worked hard and in 1 month they all felt confident. Gibu, give me the letter. I'll read it, said Climby confidently. Give it to me, said Rory. I can read it louder and quicker. Why don't you give it to me to read, said Chinga. My voice is louder than everybody else. अब तीनों में लड़ाई शुरू हो गई. भाई मैं पढ़ूंगा, मैं पढ़ूंगा, मैं पढ़ूंगा, क्योंकि इंग्लिश सबने सीख ली थी. Gibu smiled and said, well, let Chinga read it, क्योंकि उसकी आवाज़ सबसे ज़्यादा है. Chinga took the envelope proudly and tore it off. From inside it came out a folded pink paper. He unfolded it carefully, but then he said, I don't know what English this is. I don't know it. I told you to give it to me to read, said Climby as he snatched the letter from Chinga's hand and looked at it. But then his eyes went round as he found some unknown language in it. It is not English, declared he. Let me see, said Gibu. As he took the letter, seeing it, he said, yes, it is not English. It has come from Kaziranga forest and it is written in Assamese. It says, how do you do? Do you mean what, do you like, कैसे? Do you mean we have to study Assamese now? तो वो कैसे वो पता लगाना चाहते थे कि अभी तो इंग्लिश सीखी है, अभी क्या चाहते हो कि ये लैंग्वेज भी सीखें? Asked Bhalu. It is not possible to know all the languages, but we can give it a try, can't we? Said Gibu. Oh no, everybody exclaimed as they moved away hurriedly. तो उसने बोला, हर्ज क्या है, सीख लेते हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? सारी लैंग्वेजेस तो नहीं सीख सकते, लेकिन इसे तो सीख सकते हैं ना. बट सब के मुंह बन गए और सब निकल गए जल्दी जल्दी. मज़ा आया ना? तो इसी बहाने, उस लेटर के बहाने उनको इंग्लिश पढ़ना भी आ गया और वो लोग बहुत अच्छे से उस इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को भी सीख पाए ताकि वो वर्ल्ड से कनेक्ट हो सके, है ना. कुछ भी सीखना बुरी बात नहीं है बच्चों, अच्छी चीज़ को हमेशा हमें सीखना चाहिए. So what we have learnt in this chapter? Let's practice बच्चों through exercises. Extract based question. A part tick the correct option. B part read the given extract from the story and answer the questions that follow. In C part fill in the blanks. In D part complete the following sentences with the help of the story. In E part write T for true and F for false statement. And in F part answer the following questions in short. In G part answer the following questions. Hordes. Reflect on the importance of language learning portrayed in the story. How does the animal's experience with the letter reflect the significance of knowing different languages? And play with words. Make sentences of your own with the help of given words. Grammar in use. Indefinite articles. The articles a and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular noun. These are used with singular nouns. Definite articles और indefinite articles. तो indefinite articles में आपके पास a and है, जैसे a is used before the words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a flower, a bird, a fox, etc. इसके बारे में आपने पहले भी पढ़ा हुआ है. And an is used before the words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, an egg, an ostrich, an honest man, etc. यहाँ honest O sound आ रहा है बच्चों, H sound नहीं आ रहा because H is silent, right? Definite articles, the is a definite article because it points to a specific or definite noun. It can be used the singular nouns as well as with plural nouns. For example, the Himalayas, the Ganga, the French, etc. Fill in the blanks with a, and, or the, put a cross where no article is required. Underline the correct options given within the brackets or to complete the sentences. Enrich your skills, listen carefully, your teacher, speak out, tell any childhood story of fairies which you have heard from your parents or grandparents in front of the class. Writing part, write a paragraph on the topic, the most memorable day of my life. Hands-on fun, rearrange the letters of the words given in the brackets to form new words. Okay, and while doing this, bachcho, have fun, enjoy.